Hey there, I have a song for you and an invitation. Here it goes. There was a teacher who liked to play bingo with her students. Come play bingo, come play bingo, come play bingo on Friday during office hours. All right, you are cordially invited to come play bingo with me and all my students. We're going to play on Zoom Bingo on my birthday, September 18th, from 2 to 3 o'clock in office hours. Here's the link. It's just for fun. Hey, I'm going to mail the top winner some candy. So if you win, you get to tell me your favorite candy and I get to mail it to you. Why? Because I love to share the birthday wealth and I hope you'll play some bingo. So come play bingo. Wait, let me try that again. Come play bingo. That's it. Come play bingo. Oh yeah, come play bingo and play it with us Friday. Have a great day.